The cost function is a mathematical function that describes the relationship between production cost and production quantity. This cost function is usually based on the relationship between variable costs atau cost that change with the amount of production and fixed cost atau cost that remain unchanged with the amount of production. Example of cost function: CBX sama dengan CT plus CV, where CBX is total cost, CT is fixed cost, CVX is variable cost, and X is the amount of production. The revenue function is a mathematical function that describes the relationship between a company revenue and the number of products sold. This revenue function is usually based on the selling price of the product and the number of products sold. Example of reception function: Rx sama dengan Px, where X is total revenue, P is the selling price per unit, and X is the number of products sold. Example of cost function and revenue function: for example, a manufacturing company is producing bags. The following is an example of a cost function and revenue function for the company. Cost function: CBX sama dengan 5.000 plus 10x, where CB is total cost, 50.000 is fixed cost, and 10x is variable cost. X is the number of bags production. Reception function: X sama dengan 20x, where X total revenue and 20x the selling price per bag multiplied by the number of bags produced. In this example, fixed costs are 5.000 and variable cost 10 per bag. This function will show the total cost faced by the company when producing a number of bags. Meanwhile, the revenue function will describe the total revenue received by the company when selling a number of bags. The selling price per bag in this example is 20. Cost function CBX 1000 plus 5x, where CBX total cost 1000 is fixed cost and 5x is variable cost. X is the production quantity. Reception function: Rx sama dengan 10x, where X total revenue and 10x is the selling price per unit multiplied by the number of units sold. In this example, fixed cost are 1000 and variable cost are 5 per unit. This cost function will show the total cost that the company must incur to produce a number of goods. Meanwhile, the revenue function will describe the total revenue received by the company when selling a number of goods at a selling price of 10 per unit. The cost function and revenue function can vary depending on the type of business or industry being run. The example above is only a simple example to illustrate the basic concept of cost function and revenue function. The cost function is a mathematical function that describes the relationship between the cost spent to produce a certain amount of product or service and other variables, such as the amount of production labor or material age. The cost function is used to calculate production costs incurred by the company in order to carry out production activity. The revenue function is a mathematical function that describes the relationship between revenue obtained from sales of product or service and other variables, such as selling price, number of sales each. The revenue function is used to calculate receipt or income obtained by a company from sales of product or services. The cost function plays a role in planning and controlling company costs. By knowing the cost function, company calculates the production cost required to achieve the desired production goals. The cost function is also used to identify the most significant cost factor and identify opportunity to reduce production costs. The revenue function plays a role in planning and controlling company revenue. By knowing the revenue function, company can calculate the expected revenue from sale of product or service. The reception function is also used to identify factors that can increase acceptance, such as increasing selling price, increasing promotion, or developing new product. These two functions are introduced in the cost revenue analysis by using the cost function and revenue function. Company can optimize profits by determining production levels and prices that are not optimal. The cost function and revenue function are two important functions in business economic analysis. The cost function describes the relationship between costs incurred and the amount of production. The revenue function, on other hand, describes the relationship between the revenue obtained and the sale amount or selling price. The cost function is used to carry analysis of the production cost of a product or service. In the cost function, the variable commonly used are fixed costs and variable costs fixed. Fixed costs are costs that do not change with change in production quantity, such as building rent or management salaries. Variable costs are costs that change with changes in production quantity, such as raw material or worker wages. This cost function is useful for calculating the total cost of a production based on the amount of production. The cost function can also help companies plan and cut controlling costs, evaluating operational efficiency, and determining to break even or find where revenue equalization. Meanwhile, the revenue function is used to analyze income or reserve obtained from sales of product or service. In the revenue function, the variable commonly used are the selling price per unit and the number of sales. This revenue function is used for calculating the total revenue of a company based on the selling price per unit and the number of sales. The revenue function can also help company determine optimal price, identify the relationship between price and sale quantity, and calculate the contribution margin per unit. The cost function and revenue function are introduced in the business economic analysis. By understanding the cost function and revenue function, companies can optimize profits by determining optimal production level and selling prices. The cost function is a mathematical function that describes the relationship between a company's production cost and other variables such as production quantity, production level, and other production factor. The cost function information about how much cost the company must bear to achieve a certain level of production. The revenue function is a function that describes the relationship between the revenue or income obtained by a company from selling product or services and other variables such as selling price, number of sales, and other factors. The revenue function provides information about how much revenue the company generates from selling product or services at a contract price level. In business economic analysis, the cost function and revenue function are very important. The cost function helps company calculate and manage production costs in order to achieve efficiency and optimize profits.